Hello, my name is Sam and welcome to BrainTech. In this video, I will show you how to change your age on TikTok. To start, open your TikTok application in your mobile device. Then tap on Profile on the bottom right, then tap on the three lines on the upper right, then go to Settings and Privacy. Once you are in Settings and Privacy, scroll down. Then tap on Report a Problem. In here, you will need to scroll down and then look for Account and Profile. In here, tap on Editing Profile. Then in here, scroll down. Then tap Other. In here, just tap on No. Then tap on Need More Help. In this section of the tutorial, all you have to do this time is to input your problem that you have with TikTok application. Go ahead, take your time in typing. In some cases, you could also wait for me to finish typing and then you could copy what I'm writing here over in the description box. Once done, click on the Submit button. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.